Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Domino's delivery hours range from late morning to past midnight, so your local Domino's is ready to take your order almost anytime you're hungry. Extended delivery and carry-out hours mean that Domino's can satisfy all of your pizza, pasta, sandwich, chicken, and dessert cravings whenever hunger strikes.
Let's help you make your mark.
Though Domino's doesn't offer 24 hours food delivery, our extended delivery service and carry-out hours mean we've got you covered when hunger strikes past midnight. Delivery service and carry-out hours from morning until past midnight mean that Domino's can satisfy all your pizza, pasta, sandwich, and dessert cravings.
Let's help you make your mark.
They're backed up by hard stats. In 2018, driver sales workers and truck drivers, which includes pizza delivery drivers, ranked 7th on the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics list of most dangerous jobs, with assault and robbery accounting for roughly a quarter of all fatalities. The 10th of August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pizza delivery is a great job for this with lots of multitasking. The good driver will help out in store between deliveries while waiting for their next delivery. Keeps you busy and helps you get out on your next delivery faster. Also, the money is decent.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.